Oh no, there's one. That one's definitely walkable, guys. Oh. Okay, nice hill down, but I'm walking that one. There's no bloody way. Guys, why have I lost energy so quickly? Tell me. Quick. Inshallah. Woo. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's a bit of a precipitation, guys. So this is highway 2, no, this is 294. And in a minute, we'll have 55 again. So yeah, guys, I need to walk this up. Alright. Yeah, just walking it off a little bit, guys. Can sometimes ease the pain quite a bit. Old saddle bar named the Mood. Hey, I'm in the mood. Yeah, so what kind of mood? No, in the mood. Yeah? Are you asking me trick questions again? No, I'm serious. I'm in the mood. Alright, I'll come right over, take my fence off. And fire a rocket. The old take my fence off, fire a rocket joke. Alright. Guys, catching some of the sunset. Okay. Yeah, see, we're coming up here on Old 66 route. We're gonna cross it again because it's Ogden Avenue basically. And normally that's how I would think it would just take me right up Ogden, but it's taking me like through Cicero to Michigan and Adams. All right. 6:39, guys, is the ETA on an hour and 52. Maybe we will slowly be descending down mostly into the city, and we'll make up some miniatures. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Because then it actually the Route 66 actually cuts off, and that's why it's got me going north. Okay. Willow Plaza Chinese food. Yeah. 19 miles, guys. .638. So we just made up a minute. Guys, if we only stop one more time to change out the batteries, all right.